What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverly, and I am back with another video. You see the thumbnail and you see the title. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on a square arch backdrop. So if you guys would like to see the full tutorial, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave me a feedback down in the comment section below. Let me know how you feel about this video. Let me know if you learned anything. Let me know if you think it turned out cute. I want to know everything. Our shout out this week goes out to Pop and Blow. If you guys would like to get a shout out on my next video, make sure that you comment a purple heart on my latest Instagram post on Loverly Events on Instagram. So I have Pop and Blow here from Detroit, Michigan. She's also an event planner and balloon artist, and I really like her work. It's very cute. She do a little bit of everything. I see balloon mosaic, arches. It looks like she does a little bit of table decor. Very nice, super cute, and she's a cutie. Okay, I see you, girl. All right, make sure that you guys leave a purple heart on the latest post on my Instagram for a shout out in my next video. One more thing before we move forward, I would like to take this time to give a shout out to the sponsor for this portion of today's video. Shout out to Temu for sponsoring today's video. So it's the fall season, you guys, and it's also my favorite season. So you know, I had to make my home all warm and cozy. Here are some fall themed decorations I received from Temu that screams it's fall whenever you walk in here. Everything is way better than I expected. I even went ahead and placed a bigger order for Christmas. If you guys aren't familiar with Temu yet, they are a marketplace where you can find any and everything you would usually need on a daily basis, like kitchen essentials, balloon supplies, event decoration, clothing for men and women. And if you are into organization, I especially love their organization products that they have, and it's been keeping me in line for sure. All of the items you see on the screen are from Temu, and everything I chose arrived in perfect shape. Temu is able to offer some of the best products for a reasonable price you can't find elsewhere. To shop some of these items, you can download the Temu app on your Android or iOS device. If you download the app today and use my coupon code, you will receive $100 in coupons to use on the app. I will have the coupon code displayed on the screen, and you guys can also check my description box for the direct link to the app and also another coupon code for you guys to use. I love the fact that Temu offers free shipping and free returns on all your items for up to 90 days. They also offer buy now and pay later options like Klarna and Afterpay. Download and check out Temu today and let me know how your experience went. Thank you again to Temu for sponsoring this portion of today's video. But without further ado, let's just get straight into the tutorial. Okay, you guys, so I have a whole bunch of balloons from the last couple projects and I want to make use of them. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an organic square balloon arch. I've done balloon arches before, like the square shape, but I've never done an organic style. So I figured I could take this opportunity to do that while, you know, showing you guys or giving you guys a little tutorial so you guys can learn as well. So I have all of the same colors from the last projects: gray, black, orange, goldenrod, and those are the 4 colors that I'm going to be using. I have mostly black, so black will be my main color, and I'm going to start creating the base first by just wrapping the clusters around the pole. So I have this backdrop stand. The direct link for this will be in my description box down below. So let's get started. This is how I'll be wrapping the cluster around the pole. If you guys know how to make balloon column, it's kind of like the same technique. So just like this, I just put the pole between 2 of my balloons right here. And then I kind of like slide it down to where I want it to stay, and then I just wrap it. And you can wrap it twice for extra security, and then you just push down in the middle of the cluster. This way you know for sure that your cluster will stay in place. I'm going to take another cluster of 6 right here and repeat the same steps. Push it down. I have my pole right here, and I have my 2 balloons, and I'm just going to wrap these 2 balloons around the pole. 1, 2. Then push down in the middle. See? I think I want to take the black up until like right here. Okay, so I have this golden rod here, and I think this is a cluster of, this is a cluster of 10, which is super big. So I think I'm going to cut it down and make it a cluster of 6, and then later on I can add the rest of the balloons. So starting with a cluster of 6, same technique. Just put it around my pole like this, and then wrap it in. Pushing it down. Alright guys, so I am all done with the base of the arch, and now I'm going to go in with clusters of 4 or pairs to make the sections look fuller. So since the black and the orange section is like at the top corner, I have to focus on those parts to make sure that the arch stays in shape. Right now it's out of shape. It doesn't look like a square arch. But we're going to fix that. I'm going to start with the orange corner first. And either I'm going to be tying the cluster onto the section, or I'm going to be using 260, creating a hoop with the 260 balloon, and then putting this part around one of the balloon inside of the cluster. I'm going to speed up this part, but that is all I'm going to be doing. You guys will be able to see the amount of balloon I put for each section and how to make it wider. And then for the bottom part, I'll come back and then show you guys how I'm going to be making it look fuller. That is one of the main questions I get all the time on my videos. How do I make my sections or balloon garlands look fuller? And when I'm making the bottom part of these arches, you guys will be able to see that. Now we're going to focus on the bottom part. I have these jumbo balloons that I want to make use of. So first I'm going to add it to the section, and then I'm going to build around it. So I have a 260 balloon attached to it, and then I created a hoop and this is what I'm going to be putting around the balloon. So I added my jumbo balloon, and now I'm adding a 260 balloon to this cluster of 4 or a quad. And then I'm going to be adding it to the section as well. The goal is to first cover the stand, the metal part of the stand. Another cluster of 4 with a 260 balloon attached to it, and then putting it around this section is looking way fuller comparing to this one. So we're kind of going to be repeating the same steps. Just building around it. And as I said earlier, we're trying to cover this metal part of the stand. So since it's still Halloween, I'm just gonna go ahead and have a little bit of fun with it. I have a lot of this cobweb fabric left over, so I'm gonna just have a little bit of fun. Alright, y'all, so I have some 5-inch fillers. I almost forgot about them. I even started putting on the cobweb without adding these first. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them, and then I'll be done. I'm gonna play around with the cobweb to try to give it a look, but I'm just gonna go in right now and add all of these 5-inch fillers. These are just quads made out of 5-inch balloons, and then I tie them on the end of a 260 balloon, and this is how I'm going to be adding it to the arch. Alright you guys, so this is how the backdrop turned out. If you'd like to see how the full thing turned out, make sure that you stay tuned to the end of this video where I'll be showing you guys pictures and videos of the full look. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to check out Temu on the App Store. The link for their The direct link to the app will be in the description box down below, as well as my code that you can use to get $100 in coupon. But I will definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye! I gotta do this all over again. It's dying! No. This is literally pissing me off.